Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all text correction options available on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Revert. Following that, just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the sorters next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!